Look, Cook, and Eat. It's an online magazine designed to teach people with intellectual or learning disabilities how to cook.
Is that hot? No.
It's created by Sue Haas, who has a sister with an intellectual disability and a passion for serving that community.
I got the idea from my work at a coffee shop here in Des Moines called Plymouth Grounds, and it is a job training site for young people with intellectual disabilities. I learned a lot about how interested they are in cooking and decided to take it to my business partners with the idea of maybe we should give this a try. There is nothing out there like it.
Sue and her partners used their extensive experience with food magazine publishing to come up with a unique way to use technology rather than a traditional cookbook to deliver recipes.
We're going to make that spinach salad. Do you want to touch the spinach salad? Good job. If you've never had a spinach salad before, you just might like this one.
Sue doesn't underestimate her audience's abilities or interests. Each issue has a number of menus to choose from, including panko pork chops, Chinese chicken salad, and cheeseburger pizza. The meals are interesting, delicious, well-balanced, and they don't rely on processed food. Look, Cook, and Eat guides users through the process of making a meal from start to finish. Every recipe is set up the same way, using no more than 9 ingredients and 9 tools.
Okay, Angela, hit the cook button. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Put the skillet on the stove. Turn the burner on to medium-high, 7 or 8 if your stove has numbers. Add the ground beef to the skillet. That's what we're going to do. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready, Angela?
Yes, I am.
Can you find medium-high on that dial? Okay. Angela, do you want to put the meat in the skillet?
Okay.
Give Charlie the spoon. It isn't intimidating, and hopefully that gets them one step further into the kitchen, because the kitchen itself can be intimidating. There's hot things, there are sharp things, and we try to cover that stuff in a video and help encourage them to not be afraid.
For those of you watching at home, it smells amazing. So
We've been really, really surprised at how well these recipes have turned out. 9 ingredients seems like not very many, and some of them have fewer than 9 ingredients, but ta-da, we can make really great food without a lot of complicated ingredients or a long list of things and process and all that sort of thing. Boy, I'd have you in my kitchen anytime helping out. Actually, you're doing it all. I'm the helper. You're doing it you're doing everything.
Thank you.
Yep, right there. Bravo! Very good.
Of course, Sue wants her clients to like the recipes, but what she really hopes they get out of it are valuable skills and increased confidence that will translate into other areas of their lives. The great meal at the end of it all is a welcome bonus.
We take it for granted, cooking and managing in the kitchen. I've been in a kitchen since I was 10 years old and never was told I couldn't do something in there. And I think that people with disabilities are sometimes underestimated, you know? It takes some time, it takes a little bit of encouragement, but there's no reason that anybody with a disability could not do this type of thing for themselves. There's no reason at all. Ooh, way to go. Way to go. Proud of you.
The program you just watched was presented as part of Move to Include, a public media initiative made possible with support from the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, a private corporation funded by the American people, and by the following:
the W.T. and Edna M. Dahl Trust, Chef Lisa Laval of Trellis Cafe and the River Center, and Chef Michael Laval of the Des Moines Embassy Club. For more than 100 years, the Des Moines Embassy Club has provided a place to dine, celebrate, and do business, located in downtown Des Moines and in West Des Moines. And Friends, the Iowa PBS Foundation.